What's up, what it do, fam? It's your boy got it back with another video. Today we out here on pure cocaine. We about to install some LED lights and the opera light. The passenger side, the original one, is working, but the driver's side is not. So we're gonna take it off. We're gonna see if anything going on with it. Maybe a wire broke on the passenger side, and if we can fix the original, we're gonna do that. But if not, we're gonna install the LED kit I got. I found this at Walmart. We're gonna install this script with a diffuser cover. I think that's what it's called. It's a white cover that goes over the LED strip, and it kind of kills the raw LED look from it being so bright, and makes it look like just one whole light instead of the LED dots. So we're gonna install that too. I got a piece left over from the LED lights in the paint booth that when I didn't use, so I'm gonna use a piece of that cover that came over the LED lights and these opera lights. So we're gonna get it taken off and see what's going on. Started out, this a cool little kit right here. It makes these jobs so much easier. I think I'm using number 2, the hex side. Number 2. Pull that remove that out a little bit, and it unhooks. There to pop it off. Hooks at the top of it, and from there go Phillip head, and then you'll be behind the actual light to the wires. So let me pop this off, and then I'll cut y'all back on. Alright fam, so we back. Got the LED diffuser. It took my time and marked out a piece, just the outer lens. And it took me some scissors, and I cut out me a piece that fits snug up in there and lay up in there. And I actually looked for this a couple years back when I bought 400 Degrees. He had LED lights in there when I bought it, and he didn't have a diffuser. It was just a raw look. You could see the LED lights through the lens. And man, when I tell you I was lighting up both sides of the highway, I hated that. So most definitely want to kill some of that LED look, and I'm gonna take y'all over and show y'all what I'm talking about in the paint booth right quick. See how I give you this solid light look versus, let's see if I can pop it out, versus that raw LED, the dots. That's what I had on 400 when I first bought it, and it was lighting up both sides of the highway. But no different. I want to put something over there and kill the light. Pop back in. Yep. Kill that raw LED look. So I'm gonna finish putting this together, and I'm gonna cut y'all back on. I'm trying to get for some reason my jump box won't jump the car now. I gotta see what's going on with that so we can get power and connect the wires, the power and the ground. I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute. Oh yeah, and this how I ran the LED. Come with 3M double side tape. Just stuck it on the center, and I punched out the prongs, the original prongs, and ran my wires through there. Just ran them up top, ran them back down, and went through those holes. And that's how it's gonna sit over there. Cut y'all back on in a minute. Alright, we back the next day. Ended up having to go get a battery. It was a Walmart battery. So I just went to Walmart and grabbed the battery right quick. The date it had on the old one was July 2021. So it was due for one. And probably ain't helped by it's just sitting up, but finna clean these terminals off, cable ends off, and get it connected so we can finish wiring up the light. And I'm gonna walk y'all through what I did. The diffuser, like I said, I trimmed it out. I took the passenger side in the house last night and cut it out. Got it tight fit. And we're gonna shoot some power to it, let y'all see how it look. So this old stuff right here is gonna be the route you wanna go if you're trying to get that OG look, the way it won't be that raw LED light. And then I'm gonna walk through how to wire, how to find the power source, because you ain't getting no power from here, from the old wires. Cut y'all back on in a minute. I got the battery in, got it fired up. That was all that was wrong with it. We got some wire, 16 gauge wire. We're gonna extend we're gonna have to extend the wire to the LED light to find another power source. It'll be sweet if we could tap into this, but this right here is not getting us the fire that we need to run the LED. So we're gonna find another source of power and cut y'all back on once I get it installed. Alright, right quick family, I'm gonna run y'all through and show y'all what I did so far on the passenger side. It's gonna be the same for the driver side. I don't want to say there isn't any videos out there that really give you details on how to tap into the power source with your wiring, or how to find the correct source to get the lights to come on like they do originally. I didn't want them on a target switch. I have to turn them on. I want them to work, you know, like they did from the factory. So when I turn on the lights come on automatically or whatever. I wanted the upper lights to come on as well. So I tapped into the headlight on the driver's side since it was easy to access. I had enough wire to go all the way over to the driver's side headlight, and I tapped into that. And I'm gonna give y'all a quick run through. And I don't think you need 16 gauge wire. Like, you can get away with just speaker wire, or the same size wire that's actually on the LED. It's not that big, so. But I just grabbed what I had, and I'm gonna show y'all. Here's the wire alongside here. Went under the carpet with it. I'm gonna tuck it real good. I took this out. This the ECU panel. Took that out, ran it up through there, and you're gonna have a hole in your firewall, which all your wiring, and a grommet. All your wiring from the inside, the ECU goes out. So I went up through that hole, and I came out up here, the fender, on the side of the fender. It's my wire. This is where they had ran a power wire to the CB they had in there. Because the people that own this car, they had a mid ambulance service, and they was dispatching out of this car. So that's the power cord they had for the CB. So we coming up right here with these two wires alongside. They didn't have any black wire, so it just got red. And I came in here with my connectors, black, negative, the white, brownish, that brown color wire is the hot. So I tapped into it with that, and we're gonna tuck these wires up under here and run them along and zip tie them up against the radiator support, so they'll be hid, and get some loom and run through there. We're gonna tuck this on in once we get done. And yeah, so we cut it on, which y'all see. Cause I was looking for a video that would show like where they tap into. I mean, probably a no-brainer for some people, but some people don't know. So, and there we go. Clean OG look. It ain't that raw. You don't see the dots in there, and that's because of the diffuser. It's making it look like one whole solid light instead of the dots, and you can't see through it. You can't even see the LED script in there. That's what the diffuser does. And I hate and it's just this part here, I couldn't get all the way to the top because we had the end of the LED script, and it just wasn't no way to kind of the glass cover had to sit over it a certain way, and it wasn't no way to get it up to the very top, but it don't look bad at all. I can live with it. So when night hit, I'm gonna come back out and get another little clip of it. So yeah, anybody out there that's give me the camera right. Anybody out there that's doing the opera lights, installing the LED, I hope this video helped. Hope it's good and detailed for y'all, so y'all can get through y'all project. Drop down in the comment, let me know if anything y'all would have did different, or where y'all tapped into to make it a lot easier. And like, share, comment, and we out.